So, you wanted to save some money on acne treatments? Well, I am a skincare specialist and there are 4 ways I teach my clients to save on acne expenses. And if you are a person who has acne problem, then stay tuned because this video will be very helpful for you. Hi, my name is Sajana and I'm super passionate about teaching people on sustainable skincare. And today I'm teaching about acne problems because this is the topic that I get asked a lot of times. And by the way, if you stick around till the end of this video, there will be a bonus tip for you. So make sure to take full advantage of this video and let's get started with saving you some money. The first way to save money is basically stop buying products without knowing what grade of acne you have. In the world of professional skincare, we divide acne into 4 grades of acne scale. Let me go a little bit deeper so you're well educated on what kind of acne level you have. And in order to know this, grade 1 acne is a minor breakout that you see on the skin, and the age group for this is 20s, 30s and beyond. Usually you see this kind of acne on women because of lots of hormonal changes going on, such as period, pregnancy, pills and menopause. All of those things triggers acne, so it shows up on your skin. You can simply buy a product from over-the-counter store such as Sephora, Ulta or even a drugstore, and I'll make a separate video where you will be able to know exactly what kind of skincare routine to follow, and stay tuned for that one. Grade 2 acne is a little bit more breakout than grade 1, and mostly oily skin tends to have a little bit more breakout than dry or normal skin, and that's why we see this mostly on teenagers, especially on boys than girls, as again it's a lot of more androgen fluctuation that's going on in their body. You do not need to spend mostly on expensive retinol based product. Just an alternative that's a lot more cheaper are AHAs and BHAs, and again I'll make a separate video regarding a specific skincare routine for grade 2 acne, so stay tuned again for that. And grade 3 acne is somebody who has a red and inflamed skin because of lots of acne happening. There is no specific age group or a gender for this. Anybody who has a inactive lifestyle or lives in an environment where it's a little bit more pollution or humidity, where you are sweating a lot, so all of those things factored or like triggers a acne. And also a stress is another thing that triggers again hormonal changes in your body, so that shows up in your skin as an acne as well. And so when you're going for a facial, ask for a high frequency machine and a blue LED light treatment that helps with your acne. Grade number 4 is a acne where it's extreme breakout, where your skin is already uneven because of those acne scars, and the tissues underneath that skin is damaged a little bit, so it takes a little bit longer time to heal. The main factor for causing these kind of acne is family oriented. If anybody in your family has an acne, then in your DNA it's already programmed that you will be getting acne, so make sure to take care of your diet, which can trigger acne even more. And let's move on to the tip number 2, which is like an investment that you are doing for a future higher return on your investment, and that investment is basically on a face towel that you have to have of your own. What happens is when you're using a face towel, it absorbs all the moisture, oil and dead skin and bacteria onto that towel, and next day when you're using the same towel, you're putting all of those bacteria back to your skin, so all of those justice that you did for cleansing all the skin is not working. The one that I like is a muslin cloth. It's very soft and it's 100% cotton. I got these from Amazon. It's $8 for 4 packs. That is good for a week, and I put it in a hanger like this so I can stack it up on the restroom or so. And this $8 investment is actually helping you in a longer term for a healthier skin. Tip number 3 is training your mind. I know it is free, but it requires your discipline and your attention to the fullest. As we all know how important it is to maintain our health and hygiene through this coronavirus, not touching our face and rubbing our eyes. So all of those are no for your skin in general. the one that I cannot stop you enough is popping your skin on professionally, because that is traumatizing your skin and you can actually have a hyperpigmentation that is more difficult to treat than acne. So make sure you're not touching your face. That is going to be a great justice for your skin overall. All right, that brings us to tip number 4, that is drinking enough of water for your body. There are lots of websites out there where they teach you or calculate a specific amount of water that you need to take for your body based on your gender, based on your active level. For me, there is a website that I follow, and that is in the description box below, so do check it out so you can see how much of specific water that you need for your body. And now it's time for the question of the day. So which one was your favorite tip among all of these? Share in the comment section below so I can see and guide you if you have any questions. Alright, make sure to share and subscribe to this channel so you are always updated and sharpening your mind on your sustainable skincare. And as I promised earlier, this is the bonus tip for you, and thank you for sticking around till the end of this video. Tip number 5 is changing your pillowcases in every 2 days. I cannot emphasize enough how much of difference it makes in your skincare routine. Is amazing. We spend hundreds of dollars in buying product, but sometimes solution is hidden in maintaining cleanliness. So give it a try and see if you like it. Alright warriors, hope you find this video helpful, and I'll definitely see you in next video. Until then, take care of yourself and take care of your family. Namaste.